Now 24 is a radical equation, so we want to isolate that radical first. And I'll move the 1 over. So when we add 1 to both sides, I'll end up with the square root of x plus 3 equals x plus 1. And then we want to get rid of that radical, and we do that by squaring both sides. So that would end up giving me x plus 3 equals x squared plus 2x. Make sure you square that correctly, plus 1. Um, let's get all of those terms on the right-hand side. It is quadratic. We'll see if it's factorable if we need to use the quadratic formula. But that would be, we're going to subtract x and subtract 3. So I'd have x squared plus x minus 2, which is factorable. I would have x plus 2 minus 1. On radical equations, once we do get a solution, we'll need to check them. You have to check every answer to see if it's a solution. So that would give me x is negative 2 as a possible answer, x equals 1 as a possible answer. When I go back in to check, let's first try x equals negative 2. That would be negative 2 plus 3 minus 1 equals a negative 2, which is square root of 1 minus 1 is negative 2. And we know that 1 minus 1, so 0 is not equal to negative 2. So negative 2 does not work for us for a solution. Now let's try x equals 1. So the square root of 1 plus 3 minus 1, is that equal to 1? Square root of 4 minus 1 is 1, and that actually does work. 2 minus 1 does equal 1. So x equals 1 would be your only solution for that equation.